Hello everyone, this is Magic Click Partners, your reliable gambling partner. We continue our series of videos on SPY services, and today we are reviewing Tiver. This is a SPY service developed by arbitrage specialists and was launched in 2024. I remember when I first visited, but saw that there were few geos and left. But today the SPY service has reached a new level. Almost all key geos are available, and overall it's a worthy response to Ad Hearts. The cost of the SPY service starts at $50 per month, and with the promo code MAGIC20 you will get a 20% discount on the first purchase of any plan. With the discount it turns out to be even cheaper than from Ad Hearts. Moreover, some features are indeed implemented better here. The upload of new ads is greater with Tiver. On average, about 65 million per month compared to 30 for Ad Heart, and there is also the ability to view ad reach, sort by this metric, collect money with creatives and share them. And just recently, an update was released where you can filter to see only gambling creatives, but of course not all will be shown. Ad Heart doesn't have this yet. So, what come? Let's move on to the filters. The first is the keyword from the ad description. The table of words that can be used to search for gambling creatives is available in our Telegram channel. You can find it via the link in the description. Next, we select a country. In Tiver, a large number of countries are available, and all the most relevant geos are already in the database. Only those countries that are generally not targeted are unavailable here. In the country filter, we set the number 1 to show ads targeted only to this country. Next, we set the ad creation date. It's better to look for fresher creatives. And we set the number of days the ads were active. Now next comes a more flexible setting. The ad format we are most often interested in is only video. If you are looking for static, you can set image here. The next filter is CTA, which are the buttons installed in the ad. It's not necessary to set them, but you can choose those relevant only to gambling. The next thing is placements. In general, it's not necessary to set them, but the most common are Facebook and Instagram. Lead forms are usually not used in gambling ads, so you can choose without or not select at all. Next is the search filter by ID or by name. You can take them from a public channel on Telegram, for example, or check those you have already found. Next is the search by application. Here you can insert the ID, package, or application link. This is one of the effective ways to find creative content. After all, J1 application is often used by many arbitrage specialists, and the creative content there will be relevant. The next filter is by domain. If we are looking for gambling, we enter the link to Google Play or App Store. Next is the filter that searches directly by links. For example, you can enter backlinks here and find something, but this is not very effective. Next, select the App Store. If you choose it here, then you don't need to enter the link in the filter. Only the last activity remains, but this is not a mandatory filter, as it is better to search by creation date. Ecom is a filter not for gambling, and the last filter is search by IP, and if you are driving traffic to European countries, you have the opportunity to search for creatives by age, gender and reach. This function is definitely not available in Ad Heart yet. Overall, the filter is good, and you can use reach once again to find a creative that has been maximally invested in, meaning it is effective. That's all for the filters. You can sort the creatives by creation date, reach and days of activity. Now let's see the SPY tool in action. Let's try to find creatives for Chile. Let's set the country, video format, creation date for the last 3 months and choose gambling. 6,500 different creatives were found, and as we can see, they are all indeed gambling related. But still, sometimes we can encounter white ads, however it's better than searching without this filter. Now let's try turning off gambling and look at all the creatives. Now 36,000 are found, and among them there are also quite a lot of gambling creatives. Notably, each of them shows the number of active days. Yes, we can also sort the ads by this parameter. And here we find a creative that has been active for 11 days, which means it is working. When opening an ad, we see the link where the traffic is directed, the FB, the ad description, and most importantly, in the similar ads tab on the FB page, we see all the creatives on this FB. Here we found a rich FB with a large number of creatives almost instantly. The developers themselves note that ads are not removed even after blocks. Each creative can be downloaded with one button. Now let's try changing the geo to France. Let's see how Europe works. There are fewer creatives and more white ads here. Let's try turning on the filters.
Gambling. Now 2,500 ads have been found. This is already a decent volume, considering that not all creatives are revealed by this method. If the search takes too long, try narrowing it down and, for example, using keywords. But don't forget to additionally check each Facebook page in the Facebook ad library.
And try to search for creatives using all methods. First, a general search by word, then by words, then connect the application, links, check all FB and spam channels in Telegram. And in this way you will find a huge number of creatives. It is important to understand that it is not necessary to set all search parameters for creatives to be found. Most arbitrageurs search for creatives among white ads, setting just a couple of filters like video type. That's all. This was Magic Click Partners with you. Don't forget to use the promo code to purchase the timer. All useful links to the video and the table can be found in the description.
Be sure to watch our previous review videos. Adherta, if you have any questions, ask in the comments or join our cozy chat where we will help you. Good luck with your uploads.